Hello and welcome! Today we'll be making these scary spider earrings. Grab your spider supplies and let's do it. Roll out a small and large ball of black clay and join them together. Use a tool to poke holes in the head. This is for the billions of eyes that spiders have. On the spider's back, pre-poke your hole for the eye hooks. And then add them in. Roll out your black clay until it is long and thin, and then cut off 4 equal length parts. These will be the spider legs. Roll each tip of the spider legs into a point. Join each spider leg in the middle. If you're enjoying this video or any of my videos, please hit that subscribe button. I do post videos twice a week, every Tuesday and Thursday. Arrange the legs however you would like them to look. Take your spider body and press it on top of the spider legs. Again, arrange your legs however you would like them to look. It would be best to place your spider on a surface that you do not plan to move it from. Something that you can put in the oven while baking. I'm using this sheet of paper. Use a tool to poke holes in the spider's back. Repeat all steps for the second spider. Bake your pieces. Glue in your eye hooks. Use red paint and fill in all of the holes that we made in the spider's body and the spider's head. Once your paint has dried, use a damp soapy cloth to remove all the excess paint. Resin your pieces. To assemble your earrings, all you'll need is a jump ring and an earring hook. And your spooky spider earrings are done. Please check back tomorrow and every day for the month of October. I will be posting 31 videos for this Halloween spooktacular. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!